going to start. Hello.
Yes, hello.
So today we're going to start the for loop, the looping concept. Already we covered the if and else concept. Now we're going to the solve the for loop. So in the programming, a looping is used to repeat a block of code until the specified condition is met. The looping is used to repeat a statement for more than one time. If you want to repeat a statement more than one time, then we're using a looping. So there is a three type of looping we're using. One is for loop, while loop, another is do while loop. So three type of looping we're using: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So in the for loop, it contains the three part. One is your initialization, then it is checking condition, then another is increment and decrement. Okay, first you have to initialize the value, then that value is checked with the test condition. If your condition is true, then the statement within the block body of the loop is executed. The initialization statement is executed only once. The test condition is evaluated. If the test condition is expressed is evaluated to false, then for loop is terminated. Means first you are initialize the value, then you go for a check the condition. When your condition is true, then this part means the curly bracket, what are the parts we are defining, it is not execute till your condition true. Means if you are initialize the value, then till your condition is true here, then the looping the body of the part is execute here. However, if the test expression, the process goes until the test condition is false. So these are the process is going on until it becomes false. When the test expression is false, the loop is terminated. Okay, so the loop is not working if test looping is not working properly.
Sorry, I don't quite understand what you're saying.
Huh. Just a minute.
Excuse me.
Just tell me.
I need to go to a bathroom.
What it says?
I'll be right back. 1 second. Hello, I'm back. Sorry.
Yes, just system security.
Hello.
Yes, yes. I'll show you the how the for loop is working. Looping is what? Understood that well? What is looping?
No, not really.
Just a minute. So looping is basically it is used to repeat a statement more than one time. If you want to repeat a statement more than one time, then we're using looping. Clear?
Yes, please.
To repeat one statement more than one time, we're using looping. This looping is of two type. One is your fixed loop. Fixed loop means where the number of repetition is known. Next is variable loop means where number of repetition is unknown. So you don't know how many times the repeat is going on. Fixed loop means, suppose I am giving you a task that you have to uh, print the number from 1 to 10. So when you want to print or write 1 to 10, then you know that you have to repeat the statement for 10 times. But variable loop means, if I am giving you tags that you have to find out all even number from 1 to 10 lakh, then you don't know how many numbers or even numbers will come from 1 to 10 lakh. So that is
Mm.
called as your variable loop, where the number of repetition is unknown. Suppose there is a fair, okay, like if you see that, like there is a
Yeah.
popular movie is um, published or released, so you are not counted in advance how many people will like it or watch it. Okay, so that is called as, that is a unexpected thing that depends upon the people, how many people will come. So that is called as the variable loop. But if you're talking about your family, then you know that how many, like all of you are going to the watch the movie or not. So that is called as fixed loop. Like in your family, you have four member and you have to go to the movie and see it, but you cannot say the other people whether they are going to the other going to watch that movie or not. So that is called as a variable loop. Okay, so variable loop means where your number of repetition is unknown, and fixed loop means you know where the number of repetition is known. Okay,
Mhm.
so for applying this loop, we're using three looping construct. One is we're using for loop. So we're using three looping construct. One is for loop, while loop, another is do while loop. In for loop, it contains the three part. First part is called as the initialization. Second part is called as next is increment and decrement. The initialization means, suppose if I'm giving a tax that you have to print from 1 to 10, then first for int I equals to 0, then checking condition, I want to print up to 10, I less than equals to 10, then we have to increment the value, I is equals to I plus 1. That is by using for loop. Okay, so first part is called as the initialization, checking condition, then increment or decrement. Here we increment the value as because we want to print from 1 to 10, 0 to 10. Clear?
Yes. Clear.
So that is called as your for loop. Now I'll show the program. Excuse me.
Okay.
To change.
What is this like circle thing? What is this thing that you're looking at right now?
What is?
What is the thing that you are looking at right now?
I didn't understand. Type me. What is your question?
See, like the pink and the
Uh,
blue thing, right? The pink and the blue circle thing, and it's like, what is everything?
this
I'm
one.
not quite.
This one.
Yeah.
It is a free space. Means what is the space is available for you. Okay. It is a free space. Okay. Kappa. It is total capacity is 109. And what is the use space? It is a use space. It is a free space. Okay. Let me open. The customized tools. Now I'm writing a program to So to print from 1 to 10. Okay.
Mhm.
So we write here has stdio dot h. Then we define a variable int I. Then for percentile d, then it is printing ui slash n. See there. So it is printing you from 1 to 10. Clear?
Yes, clear.
First, we are defining a variable int I is equals to 1. Now condition has checked here. 1 is less than equals to 10. The condition is true. Then when condition is true, then it is going to and print 1 here. That is printing you 1. Then I value is increment to 2. 2 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Then it is printing you 2. I value is again increment to 3. 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. It's printing you 3 here. Okay, so this process is continue up to I value is becomes 10. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Then now we are write a program that will add the first 10 number. We used to add the first the 10 natural number. And here you will write sum is equals to sum plus I, that is adding all the number. Okay. Now it is added all the number from 1 to 10 and it
Mhm.
shows the result. Okay.
Okay.
That is another program which is printing you all the numbers from 1 to 10 and its addition. Mm, write a program to now I have to write another program that it is showing you the multiplication table, like it is asking you that enter you have to give any value, then it shows its multiplication table value. Int num enter a number. Then here we write percentile d into percentile D. So first percentile is your number, second is your I, third is uh, your result. Now here you pass norm into I equals to result.
Hindi. Ma'am, Hindi, mama. It's fine.
So here I define result. Result equals to num into I. Enter a number. Suppose I want to get the multiplication table of 7. Okay, it's showing you 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, so how it works? Check here. int num I then res. Okay, so 3 variable we define. So printf, it is asking you enter a number. Then here I am giving a number is 7. Then I accept it by using of scanf. So by accepting, I store the value 7 in num. Then here I define int I equals to 1. Then 1 is less than equals to 100. Condition is true. 1 is less than equals to 100. Then now it comes to here result equals to 7 into 1 is 7. I value is increment to 2. 2 is less than equals to 10. So 2 is less than 10. Then 7 into 2 is 14. I value is increment to 3. Condition is true. Then it is showing you 7 into 3 is 21. So in this process, it is continue and it is printing you 7 multiplication table. Similar way, if you pass any other value, then it is giving you the result. Do you understand this program? Steve,
Yes, kind
you,
of.
you able to understand, or else I explain it again?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So it is a multiplication table. The next program we go for it. It is called as show the number in a reverse order. Okay, like I will give 50 to 20 in reverse order. You have to display. We have to take a two number int a and b. Then enter the first range number. then printf enter second range number. For a is equals to a less than equals to till a greater than equals to b, then a minus minus. So check here, in a reverse order how you have to print. Enter a fast range number. Suppose I want to print from 20 to 10. 20. Enter second range number 10. Okay. So it is printing you 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. Clear? So in a reverse order it is display you. So how it is working? Now we are taking the two number. One we are taken as 10, 20. Second were taken as 10. 20 and 10 we have entered. Now we have mentioned here a is equals to a. Okay, so in a we are passing the value 10. Sorry, we in a we are passing the value 20. So in a 20 has stored. Now a is less than equals to b. 20 is less than equals to 10. Sorry, 20 is greater than equals to 10. Condition is true. When condition is true, then it is printing you 20 here. Then after 20 is decrement to 1. Means 20 is decrement to 1 means it is now becomes 19. So 19 is greater than equals to 10. Condition is true. It is printing you 19. Then 19 again it is decrement to 18. So 18 is now greater than 10 is that is printing you 18. So similar way the process is continue and it is printing you from 20 to 10. Clear?
Yeah.
This program is for Then we go for, suppose I'm giving a task that you have to find out all even number between a particular range. So you have to pass the two range and find out all the even number between the two value. Okay, so for that reason again you have to pass the first range and second range value. Then till age less than equals to, for checking a even number, which formula is used? Three.
Int, the int. Oh, you for that.
uh,
I'm not sure.
Tell me, if you want to check for the even and odd number, what to write here?
Sorry, what?
For checking the even and odd number. So tell me, what is the even number first?
Sorry, what? Can you speak louder?
Hmm. What is even number?
Even number is a number that is divisible by 2 and you get 0.
Divisible by 2 means your remainder must be 0, so that we have to use it. A modulo 2 is equals to 0. If it is s, the number is even. Enter a first range value 30. Enter the second range value 40, no, suppose 50. I want to find out all the even number. Just a minute. Debug. Well, the number is even. 21 is odd. The number is 22 is even. Then 23 is odd. That is showing you even and odd number between the two value.
Mhm.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
So if you remove the else part, then it is clear all again. Okay, so it is showing you all the even number from 20 to 50. So we're taking a number 20 and 50. So A is equals to 20. In A, we have stored the 20 value. So 20 is less than equal to B. Okay, like A is less than equals to 50. If it is true, okay, then now it is going to the inner loop. In inner loop, it is printing you like the 20 modulo 2 is equals to 0. Yes, 20 modulo 2, when you divide it 20 divided with the 2, your remainder is 0. Then it is showing you the number is even. Then now 20 is increment to 21. So 21 is less than equals to 50. Yes, 21 is less than 50. Then now it is coming to the inner part. 21 modulo 2 is equals to 0. Yes, 21 modulo 2 is equals to 0. Then it is showing your number is even. Okay. Then in this process, so 21 modulo 2, which is not divisible by 2. 21 is not divisible by 2. So that it is not showing you anything. Then 21 is again increment here. 21 is incremented here. Okay,
Mhm.
so now it becomes 22. 22 is less than equals to 50. Yes. Then
Yeah.
22 modulo 2 is equals to 0. Yes. Then it is showing you number is even. So in this process, it is showing you the even or odd number between your 20 to 50. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Find out even or odd number. Now comes to the break statement. The break is a keyword in C which is used to bring the program control out of the loop. If you want to stop your looping based upon the specified condition, then we are using break statement. The break is a keyword in C which is bring a program control out of the loop. The break statement is used inside the loop or switch statement. The break statement break the loop one by one. That in the case of nested loop, it break the inner loop first and then proceed to the outer loop. The break statement in C can be used in the following scenario. Okay, to stop the looping. has some error. Int I is equals to 0. 0 is less than. Okay, so see here, the break statement is used to out of the loop. The int I is equals to 0, 0 less than equals to 10, condition is true. Then now it comes to the inner loop, it is printing you 0. I value is increment to 1. Okay, now it is printing you 1. 1 is equals to 5. No. Then again 1 is increment to 2. 2 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Then it is printing you 2. 2 is equals to 5. No. Then again 2 is increment to 3. 3 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Then printing you 3 here. Then it has stopped. Then 3 is increment to 4. 4 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Then it is printing you 4. 4 is increment to 5. 5 is equals to 5. The condition is true. So in that part, it stopped the loop. The break statement is used to stop the loop when the specified condition has met. So when my value I is 5, the value is stop here. Clear?
Mhm. Yes. Okay. Actually, no. Can you actually explain once more?
Yes. So break statement is actually is used to stop the execution of looping. So now we're using a looping which is printing you from 0 to 10. But now it's showing you the condition when your value is 5, it stop the looping. So int I is equals to 0. 0 is less than equals to 10. 0 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. 0 is less than equals to 10. Then it is printing you 0 here. So 0 is equals to 5. No. Then now when this part is false, then it is going to again looping, it is increment 0 to 1. 1 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. 1 is less than equals to 10. Then it is printing you 1 here. Then I value is 1. 1 is equals to 5. No. Then I value is increment to 2. 2 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. It is printing you 2. Now I is equals to 5. Means 2 is equals to 5. No. Then I value is increment to 3. 3 is less than equals to 10. S3 is less than equals to 10. So it is printing you 3 here. Then 3 is equals to 5. No. Then it is increment to 4. 4 is less than equals to 10. True. 4 is less than equals to 10. Then it is printing you 4. Now 4 will check with the 5. 4 is equals to 5. No. Then again 4 value is increment to 5. 5 is less than equals to 10. So 5 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Now here it is printing you 5. Now here your condition is matched. 5 is equals to 5. Yes, 5 is equals to 5. So in that case, it is use the break statement. When break is appear, it stop your execution of a program. Clear?
Mhm. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next, we move to continue statement. The continue statement in C programming language works somewhat like break statement. A continue basically it is used to skip that particular statement. Break is used to break the entire loop, but continue is used if you want to skip the particular statement. Continue is used. The continue statement in C programming works somewhat like break statement. Instead of forcing the termination, it forces the next iteration of the loop to take place. Skipping any code in between for the for loop, then continue statement causes the conditional state, then it will skip that particular element. So it is only used to skip a element. The same program we make here as a continue. See that it is printing you from 0 to 10, but the 5 is not present here. They skip the element 5. So I is equals to 0. 0 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Then 0 is equals to 5. So 0 is not equals to 5. Then it is printing you the 0, but it is printing you 1, it is printing you 2, it is printing you 3. But when it is 5, 5 is equals to 5. Now condition is true. When 5 is equals to 5, it skip that particular statement. Means there is no statement is executed here. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Next looping construct is while loop. While loop is also known as pre-tested loop in general. A while loop allows a part of the code to execute multiple times depending upon a given Boolean condition. It can be viewed as repeating if statement. The while loop is mostly used in the case where the number of iteration is not known in advance. So if you don't know how many times the number of repetition is happened, in that cases we're using while loop. The while loop is little bit different than the for loop. In for loop, in one part it contains the initialization, checking condition, and increment and decrement. In while loop, first you have to check your condition till your condition is true, then the while loop is executed. Now I am showing you the simple program which is showing you the execution of while loop. Now check. Here I write a program to print from 1 to 10. Then int I equals to 1. It is printing you from 1 to 10. So int I is equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. 1 is less than equals to 10. Then it is printing you here 1. Then here I value is increment to 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. 2 is less than equals to 10. So it is printing you 2. Okay. Then
Okay.
2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. 3 is less than equals to 10. Then it is printing you 3. Then similar way, 3 is increments to 4. 4 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. So it is printing you 4 here. And 4 value is increment to 5. 5 is less than equals to 10. So it is printing you here 5. So this process is continue till your what? It is printing you from 1 to 10. Okay, after printing 1 to 10, when it becomes 10, your condition becomes false, then there is no statement is execute. There is a simple part program of your while loop. Okay,
Okay.
so in the next part we go for the different other programs of while loop, how it actually works, like find out the digit, find out the digit and sum, then how to reverse a number. Okay, so these are the part we cover. Then we go for the do while loop. Okay, so then after your but while loop chapter is over, then we go to the next concept. Okay, so next class we cover. Okay, bye bye.
Okay.
We meet in the next class.
Can you end the meeting? For some reason I can't press end. Leave.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you end it? For some reason it won't let me press leave.
I'm not hear you properly. Give me
Can you
message.
just? I can't message. It's not working. The button.
Okay.
Can you can can you close it? Can you end the meeting?
No, close it. Close it.
Yeah, it won't let me leave the meeting.
Yes, eh?
No, end it. End the meeting. End it. Turn the meeting off.
Okay, now we close the meeting. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, fine.
thank you.